Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Locate the interior hood release on the driver's side kick panel and pull the plastic lever about 2 to 3 inches until you hear a click. This action releases the primary catch and raises the hood lip slightly. You will feel the hood edge lift 1 to 2 inches. The lever often has a hood icon and is reachable without removing floor mats. After pulling, step out of the vehicle with the key in your pocket, face the front bumper, and prepare to release the secondary latch. Reach under the slightly raised front hood edge and locate the secondary safety latch in the center. Push it toward the passenger side while lifting the hood with your other hand. Use your fingertips to depress the latch and lift the hood 1 to 2 inches until the catch releases. This prevents the hood from snapping back. If the vehicle has a manual prop, swing the prop rod from its clip and seat it in the hood striker hole. If you have gas struts, they should support the hood automatically. Before working under the hood, secure it. Seat the prop rod in the hood striker hole and gently test stability with light pressure. If you rely on gas struts, visually confirm both struts are intact and hold the hood upright without sagging. To close, lower the hood to roughly 12 inches above the latch, then release it so it slams shut and engages. This ensures the primary catch seats properly. Press down with moderate force to confirm full latching and check for an even 1/8-inch gap along the front edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.